Good day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Wednesday, August 2nd, 2023. It is 2:38 and 44 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, breast cancer. So let's come to it here. A wearable ultrasound scanner could detect breast cancer earlier. The new device, which can be incorporated into a bra, could allow more frequent monitoring of patients at high risk for breast cancer. Date July 28, 2023. Source, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. In hopes of improving the survival rate for breast cancer patients, researchers designed a wearable ultrasound device that could allow women to detect tumors when they are still at early stages. In particular, it could be valuable for patients at high risk for developing breast cancer in between routine mammograms. We changed the form factor of the ultrasound technology so that it can be used in your home. It is affordable and easy to use and provides real-time, user-friendly monitoring of breast tissue. As breast tumors that develop in between regularly scheduled mammograms, known as interval cancers, account for 20 to 30% of all breast cancer cases, and these tumors tend to be more aggressive than those found during routine scans. Researchers designed a miniature ultrasound scanner that could allow the user to perform imaging at any time. The scanner is based on the same kind of ultrasound technology used in medical imaging centers, but incorporates a piezoelectric material that allowed the researchers to miniaturize the ultrasound scanner. And to make the device wearable, the researchers designed a flexible 3D printed patch which has honeycomb-like openings using magnets. This patch can be attached to a bra that has openings that allow the ultrasound scanner to contact the skin. The ultrasound scanner fits inside a small tracker that can be moved to 6 different positions, allowing the entire breast to be imaged. The scanner can also be rotated to take images from different angles and does not require any special expertise to operate. And this technology provides a fundamental capability in the detection and early diagnosis of breast cancer, which is key to a positive outcome. And this work will significantly advance ultrasound research and medical device designs, leveraging advances in materials, low-power circuits, AI algorithms, and biomedical systems. The researchers tested their device on one human subject, a 71-year-old woman with a history of breast cysts. Using the new device, the researchers were able to detect the cysts, which were as small as 0.3 centimeters in diameter, the size of early-stage tumors. They also showed that the device achieved resolution comparable to that of traditional ultrasound, and tissue can be imaged at a depth of up to 8 centimeters. Access to quality and affordable healthcare is essential for early detection and diagnosis. They have witnessed the negative outcomes of a delayed diagnosis. As this technology holds the promise of breaking down the many barriers for early breast cancer detection by providing a more reliable, comfortable, and less intimidating diagnostic. One of the main obstacles in imaging and early detection is the commute that the women have to make. An image center, the comfortable ultrasound patch, is a high-promising technology as it eliminates the need for women to travel to an imaging center. The researchers hope to develop a workflow so that once data are gathered from a subject, artificial intelligence can be used to analyze how the images change over time, which could offer more accurate diagnostics than relying on the assessment of a radiologist comparing images taken years apart. They also plan to explore adapting the ultrasound technology to scan other parts of the body. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.